Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you get a free cloud PC in browser using Hyperbeam. Open web browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any web browser. Go to search. Type Hyperbeam. Press enter. Go to first link. Hyperbeam embed virtual computer in your website. Now the Hyperbeam official website is open. Click Use Hyperbeam for free. Now you can see two options. First, I am looking for Hyperbeam Watch Party. Second option is I am a developer looking to embed virtual computer in my product. I will choose first option. I am looking for Hyperbeam Watch Party. Click on Get Started. Login option. If you have Hyperbeam account, then you can log in. In my case, I will create a new account. Click on Create New Account. Set your date of birth. Select month. Select day. Select year. Click Continue. Type here your email ID. Set password. Click Continue. Check on I am human. Fix the path. Click Verify. Click Create Account. Verify your email. Click Create Room. Set the room name. I am given it name called Demo Room. Click Create. Room is created. Share this link with your friends if you watch something together, like YouTube video. Click Start Browsing. Add member. Click Skip. Something went wrong. Close notification. Now I am going to refresh web page again. Initializing. Connecting. Buffering. Now the browser is open. Now check the Cloud PC browser speed. Go to address bar. Type speed. Test. Press enter. Click on speed test. I accept. Click go. Now you can see the internet speed. It's 2 Gbps. Now open some other website. Google.com. Press enter. Accept all. You can also a full screen web browser. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to get a free cloud PC in browser using Hyperbeam. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.